Good afternoon. My name is Prince Comrade Olushola Adeboye, the chairman of Human Rights Defenders and Access to Justice Advocacy Center. Today, right now, we'll be doing a continuation of dispute, misunderstanding between man and woman, which is husband and wife. The case was treated at Ikeja office by the president of the organization, and the husband was sent to police custody for 2 days for the allegation the wife levied against him. Today they are here. They are supposed to be at the station. Any moment from now they will still go back to the station where the case will be charged to court. They were given, when was that? 2 weeks ago? They were given 2 weeks or thereabouts to see if they can reconcile within themselves and live in peace. But as we speak now, I don't think something like that has happened. Stay with us as we'll be giving the audience to tell the public how far they've gone. Madam, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
I better use the mic.
Good afternoon, sir.
Tell us your name again.
My name is Evelyn Frank.
Okay, since when you come out, when your husband go sleep 2 days, 48 hours, how the relationship don't be?
He said he didn't need settlement for the marriage. But he said he didn't need settlement for the marriage. I said when he come back to say I'm sorry to me, I can accept him because of my children. Because he cannot when we not dey together, my children cannot feel comfortable. He said he don't want the marriage to come back again. I'm the one that pack out by myself. When I want to see, I see my head for ground, I want to die. That is the reason why I left the marriage alone.
So since 2 weeks now, he never changed.
He didn't say.
Use the mic. Use the mic.
He didn't say the word that will make me to get a courage for the marriage again. He always be saying I'm the one that go by myself. You don't even want to say yes, I need the marriage back. I don't need it back.
Give him a mic. Oga, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
Fine, thank you, sir.
So since you come human rights, when you can't go sleep station, not the station will make you settle, but how far you don't go, and waiting there your mind, that you will tell us.
Thank you, sir. Since that day that he went to go and report me, when I was asleep to station. So since that day, I've been calling her, ask her my children, as everything.
Only your children.
I asked her about herself, how she did, and her about it.
Madam, he call you. Give
I didn't call you.
Oga, bring your phone out. Show us the time you call and we'll know.
The day that he called me, because they told him to take me to the hospital. Because
but you say not call you just
no, he said he called me to ask of his children.
Oh, yeah, go ahead.
He didn't call me for ask of his children. He called me yesterday. Yesterday morning. He called me yesterday morning. I should come to the so place to go to the hospital together. In the night he called me. Why he called me? Because of you people called them to come here. He now called me then whether I should come. I said I must come. That is the only two things. But he cannot call me to ask of his children.
No problem. We'll call. Don't worry about your phone. As you look for one, like say, don't reach 10 years when you call last. Oh yeah, where your children now? Use your mic.
They are go to lesson.
Okay. Now you then they stay with.
Yes.
I for say me carry phone and begin they call the person when they stay with.
No, they do lesson.
Give her a phone. Now so you take smile that day when you take that police cell. They said you were not taking the case serious. You were seeing like everybody is a joke. That is what brought that issue of arrest, so that you go and get serious in the cell. That you were not taking out the allegation and the beating and all that for serious. Why you no want marry again? Use your mind.
Thank you, sir. Because this wife that I'm married, I did not marry her to punish for the first time. So the hand that he gave to me, that's why I used to follow her. But unfortunately, when she traveled, coming back, she packed her load by herself and leave the house. So when I come back to her house,
Wait first. You know honey. Honey. Not shaken. Answer yes or no. Use your mind.
yes, sir.
How many people you see say they put honey for a mat for your village when they spit out? Count them.
You know this, sir.
So which woman you see say the home let her manage before you come don't go? Count them also, including your mother.
You know this, sir.
You see, now something make frog they run for daytime. Now inside water and under leaf when it cold, now they see am. When you see frog in the daytime, you no care about the sun, they jump cross road. Now something they pursue am. Women not good, women not good. You no get time when they first say good, but they can manage you when you feel manage them. Now for Bible they say woman good. I be na my mama, your mother good. Now manage. We manage them and they manage us. Women, they talk say they get fish brain. Not be that real fish that they talk. That means if you come up for us now, another man come meet and say, ah, now you your even neighbor, now you your husband just dey beat since you went fine like this. Wetin make you marry in the first case? That stupid man. You go see your wife open mouth, they condemn you, they tell her, oh no, na mistake, na my sister say make I marry at that time, oh, not be say na I be one marry, oh. They are like that. When you give room for person to come into your marriage, your home, woman not dey there to hold on for you. You never see many women when they commit all this adultery or whether fornication. At the end, they will bring the man when they sleep. We say, "Now so I not be say I want one more." As we dey go, my conductor say, "Where is your money not complete?" Now the man pay for me. As I come tell her, "Thank you." Now he say, "Are you this fine woman? Can I do more?" You go tell her, "She I tell you say I no fit do more." And na the man oh. Say now you for toast the man before, not be the man for toast you. So you see many women when they don't do this thing, not be by gun, now by sweet mouth. If you not take time, you open door for person to give your wife sweet mouth. Now that time you go know say that name they call some women, now be they get that brain. Not to talk of house when fight there every time. Your neighbor, so many people now their neighbor, now their wife later go marry. Many people na their neighbor na their husband later go marry. You know why? That process of fighting, quarrel. When they settle, it is say your neighbor they settle. If you come out, you say, ah, this woman, say as you fine. Now you, as some men don't know better thing. So now you, this man just a bit like this. I bet take this money. You need to first drink month. It will beat you. Your wife will drink that month. Every time they pass, you go they buy month for una. Say, ah, see person, you no even be like say you don born before. Na toast be that o. You think say na praises. See am, if you come that day when another person praise your wife, you go see am for her face. May I show you as you go take see am for her face. You know why? She go because you don tell this man say, you see now, you see the way you are praising me. My wife, my husband no see anything good in me. If I dress na problem. If I no dress na problem. He never one day tell me say you are looking beautiful. You know see as they say you are looking beautiful now. You and your wife no quarrel, but when you come, they can't welcome when will tell you. You go dey suspect. Shey we quarrel before I come on this morning. No, na person praise your wife. Only praise, you not sleep with him. Just praise and say, wow. Your wife will vex for you. Say, you see, not be person now. They tell me say I find my husband is not seeing all these things. Not to talk or you can't beat your wife. Person can't tell her sorry, you not deserve this beating. If that person tells some woman say pack that day come my house, you know go meet your wife for your house. You know meet her. So no woman, even you man, you know before you leave your wife, they look outside. Even if your wife come here come condemn you, there is something she's not doing right. Because there are some men that are made to cheat, even though things are going good. They will still come and respect their wife. They will fear make their wife not know because it's just their nature to cheat. but they got everything they want from that woman, they will be afraid, make my wife no know. You know why? Because nothing is going wrong at home. They will respect despite that they might be cheating. No man want to throw a woman out of marriage when everything is manageable, under control. Also with woman, you come, you know, meet my wife. Now even you go meet another man. Now man when he better pass you, then you go meet. All men are equal. Not be waiting there between your leg, make your wife come up for your house in case you don't know before. Even if your wife cry, you want kill you, no kill you, hey papa, oh, mama, oh, I see heaven. Oh. Yes, that is for that period. Once you stand up, that thing don't come up for their brain. The love you are giving them doesn't really mean that thing I be the love. The concern you show and I keep them for your house, not be that bad play. You see some people in our village, they are born without that thing between them not working perfectly. But women stay with them, reach till them die. They get one thing, ritual when they do for mama village. If that thing not they work, he marry, they'll go do, make it they born for outside. But why the woman no cuckoo vex, even go meet who is they born for outside? Because this man is so caring. Every village I know say you know they do, but woman stay with her. Now care, now woman needs. I don't say no quarrel, but as you quarrel, quickly settle am. Sure, I say that quarrel not be hatred. Now that thing when you do, now my way of correcting person, but I know sorry about that. Woman go stay. Now you suppose throw her load that side. You go say no they go. But when the woman pick load by herself, if now your sister, she go still pick load by herself, come out for that house. Carry na come up by say I say I no go beg. You did not see anything good in her before. You will also pray to God. God, let this marriage tire this woman may go now. That is why when you carry load, you not miss anything, including your children. If you cannot manage her, you cannot manage the next wife. I wish if they let separate after it not work for you and your new partner, make them come back. I for advise people, make them they do it. That is when you will not respect that your wife you see as a stupid wife. That is when you not respect that husband you see as a stupid husband. Make una go, meet another husband. Let another wife meet you. A year, one of you will beg for each other to return. But when I never try, now that one I be the beautiful woman, calm woman, this and that. Do you know a woman you throw out of your house for violence, now be another man best friend? Say, wow, look at the excessive word. If this woman even know how to verse, you don't know how to verse. Anything I do, you just they tell me sorry dear, sorry dear. Now that woman, I know they tell you sorry, thunder for your house. Either by pretense or by match. She will go there good to another man. They will condemn you. Say, now this one you say they violent. So we should learn how to manage everything. And first thing we should learn how to manage now when we marry. Because if you don't manage this one, another one can you not manage, another one can you not manage. Your old age not go good though, because children go gather beat you. Papa, you just a born us, what you feel do for us? You cause problem everywhere. So look at now. That woman, mama they throw medicine come. This one they throw. You when you young, you not feel stay somewhere. You will not tell not be me now, your mama not good. They know they believe you that time. If my mama not good, why you not manage her? So, madam, the marriage still hungry you. You want to take your hand back out of the house. If you not get where you want to go, how you go back? You don't survey everywhere down. Now you carry your load. Dismiss. You forgo stay for streets. Now that bridge you pack go. Use your mic now.
I rent one room.
If you say you not get money, if you not bear, tell me now.
If I don't have money, I will go to my village.
To say you not get village.
I will just go on
Use your mic.
I will do on that bridge.
Which of the under bridge you will still go there now? Tell which one where you first find down when you make you park.
Eh?
Which under bridge you get location before you park?
In any other bridge, I will just go.
See,
What I pass through is too much.
listen. Now hope when we get now make us not fit settle program. You understand? Those days, big man children that they stay husband house. This divorce, now divorce they reach poor people hand though. Where would they hear divorce that time? And so prime minister or ex-governor of so state, the daughter who just married 6 months ago or 3 months, just filed a divorce. We not know wetin be divorce, so even if you go school, you never witness am. Nana enter house. Why then they divorce? If I ask you, if you answer. Who fit answer here? Why big men, people, children they divorce? Who fit answer among us? With your experience, not be say day book.
Can I say it?
Give him mic.
Hello, good day all. Hello, good day all.
Yeah.
You know, some of these big men children, they are very, very naughty. They don't have respect. They strongly believe that their father is loaded with money, so they can override their husbands back at home. So they tend to be naughty to their husband, no matter how little the husband must have done to them. They don't look at him responsible. Just that they only want the husband, that's why they go for it. But they want to put the man under their armpits. That's why I see some of us will not go for the party. At the end of the day, they look for a way and give you the hollering by telling you they don't need you. They can equally get somebody else. Because their father or their mother is in position. I don't know if I'm right or wrong. But
No, it's not defined anywhere, but it's from your opinion,
yeah, from
your
my
experience,
opinion.
or rather perspective that you are talking.
Yeah, you're
Any
right.
other person, if given chance, now might define it in a different way. Even me, I'm going to define it kind of different way. You see, you touch it as well, in my own opinion. Okay. They divorce because they have place to go back to, which you just said.
And that's true.
What is the meaning of that place? The money is there,
Then,
the house is there, the driver
comfort and
the
everything
comfort is there. Poor people, they don't used to divorce. One, because make I go just see children when we dey struggle, when mama dey struggle dey feed before, even when I come out they were happy. Okay,
right.
if I go by which room when me and my brother they share, when we be 4, even me and female they share one room before they marry me. Now I want to go back. Even I don't even born now, I'll come carry children go join my mama for house. The villager will even laugh at me. But the rich people, friends house, they don't mingle with villagers. If they like marry today and divorce tomorrow, it's none of your business. So now, that is why it was for them before, and would they feel ashamed to divorce and kind of no money. In your own case, it's the same thing. Because you were able to gather money and think you can rent a room which you just rented, the case cannot settle itself again. You move. You are like the rich man children now. I'm not saying we should be like our mother. Our parents then, they tell you what they went through. Sorry. They tell you what they went through. When make them stay born you, you know wish to pass through it. You understand? So now my question is, how far has your parent-in-law, your in-laws then, have gone in respect of this before bringing it or packing out of the house? You call them, you call the mama-in-law, you call the papa-in-law or auntie, sister-in-law. What was their contribution, their role?
I called the brothers, the senior brother that trained me up. I called the senior brother that paid my bride price on my head. The man say he didn't call them, which is my husband didn't call them because they don't have the same mother. All those ones is the grown-ups one for the family. I call all those ones to express something to them, see what I'm passing through. Then I be taught to my husband, say, it's not like this you used to behave. Don't behave like this in your marriage. Settle with your marriage. My husband.
Did you have a mother-in-law?
My husband mother, when I'm not feeling fine that January, February, I called him. Say, Mama, I'm not feeling fine. See how the thing is doing me that time. My husband mama, he said, I should not go to church. I should not go to church that they used to see vision. I should be drinking olive oil at home. When I stretch, my hair will just like they open something inside. I will not sleep till daybreak. In the afternoon, I'll be moving around. When the mother told me like that, I said, Mama, I hear you. He will call me the following day, Mom, Yawo, drink anointing oil, don't go to the church the way they use the see vision. And I mean, I know what I'm passing through inside me. I have 2 children. I called my husband, I'm not feeling fine. My husband didn't show consent to the sickness from January to the end. When the woman now called me again, because I go to the church,
woman?
my husband, Mama, he called me because I went to the church. When I reached there, they called me out. Not that I go meet to the man of God. When they call me out, they said, yes, my husband used to judge me to bad gang. Sure you understand me?
Like all this Agbero gang.
Like he get bad friends that I used to move with.
Spiritual friends.
I don't know whether
We are talking of spiritual sickness now.
Say,
You must be spiritual friends.
he said he had a spiritual, he get a friend that used to judge me too, but not that he's the one that did it to me. He has a wife. He has a wife that he want to marry. Because normally when I believe
Who
such
they talk that one? Pastor?
he has a wife that I want to marry. That's why they want to chase me out. Because when I believe in my husband can carry woman come inside home. Inside my own house. He can carry guests come inside. When I hear such a thing, my husband mama now called me. He said, if your husband has no let you stay, can't you go? Why do you go to the church where they used to see vision? I should have did tell you before you should not go there. I say, are you not the narrator your pikin? I say, yes, Mama, I the narrator your pikin, but your pikin never get problem like me now. I say, Mama, you don't supposed to send me such a word this time around.
You don't visit your mama-in-law before? You don't go in village?
Well. They don't mind go there, well.
You still want marry?
If you agree, I will marry.
We have to involve that your mother-in-law. Okay? Okay? According to the video I watched the other day, they say you say not get respect. If your phone they ring, you will quickly run go pick them outside. They don't pay that rate for your head.
They pay my grandpas.
Which tribe will not be?
From Edo.
Where in Edo?
I'm from Ogwa.
Ogwa Nation. Give your husband. Where you be for Nigeria?
From Edo State, sir.
Where in Edo State?
Esan, sir.
No, not get culture.
Get culture, sir.
You pay that for her head.
I pay, sir.
Wetin concern you and phone when you dey go pick outside if your phone ring? Give am.
I never carry phone go pick outside the one day unless my family called me. I cannot carry phone go
So
and
if your
pick outside.
family call you, you go outside go pick am.
My family called me or I want to express something to them.
Wey can be secret when your oga when he marry their daughter not suppose hear madam.
My husband he don used to say at home.
The carry phone to answer outside na you dey talk.
He's the one that carry phone to outside, the one that you hear on your phone in the television. It's not me.
I thought
the
you
one.
just said na because
No.
of your family.
No, he's the one that used to carry phone outside. When I see,
It's alright.
I meet her
It's
up
okay.
there.
No wahala. Give am make he tell us wetin dey vex am again because he must marry o na by force. I still dey village when be say if you mistakenly give person belle they go gather beat you finish they go put am for your house you go marry her till their kid go come. They no even born you well because say the woman no know anything they say you for wait make we train her before you give am belle na oya train am. Na mama village be that one o. He must marry you but your character I must put under slippers. Oya tell us wetin make you say the marriage no go get head. They force am give you before.
No, sir.
How una take see? I wan know how the thing take happen because how it take happen matters. They say na him force you before they arrest you say na you give am belle no be you. Police come warn you say if you no wan go prison better marry her. Now when you no dey fear prison I say I no marry again. Oya.
Nobody forcing give me, sir.
Na you toast am.
Na me toast am, sir.
So you must marry am. You get a deal how jeje that will never born o. You carry your wahala go village program go give am. And you even get spiritual friends.
Sir, I don't give am problem and I don't have spiritual friend. Now she just give me problem. She not just want to the truth. That
Okay,
is it.
list the progress when she dey give me we reduce am. Woman must give my problem but we reduce your own so that you feel carry am. Yeah? You see say the problem they give you night fever. You see your mouth. Go treat am or may not come sick. Now for prison you get that fever.
No, sir.
Or you list the program when they give you go register.
Sir, number one, sir, she don't even have respect of me, sir.
Number one, no respect.
And if I dey come back for work every Saturday, she no dey like to cook way for me or to
She
even to give me
doesn't
food.
cook. And you dey give money for food.
I dey give money for food, sir.
Number three,
Number three, if I dey talk to her, she
she
no dey
doesn't
hear.
listen.
She no
Now
dey
be
lis
respect now.
ten. So the
Who
one wey dey her
respect you
man.
must listen. You are seeing number three. Number three,
So number three, if I tell her to not do this, she will say okay, she hear.
you see
But
under the respect.
Okay.
We are seeing number three.
number three, sir. Well, if my brothers then, senior brother talk to her, say okay, this thing that you are doing where your husband is complaining about it, stop it. Don't do it again. Do like this, do like this. He will say okay. Maybe after 1 week again, he will continue
You
again.
see they under no respect. Number three, I will define respect for you in marriage today.
Sir, number three, sir.
You say laugh. They say you get laughing gas. Now make they carry you go station that day. They say you laugh throughout. That means the case not serious. But this one you can laugh. Me too, I dey laugh now.
No, not like that, sir. Because sir, we laugh. Number three. Well, if I tell her to do anything that okay, maybe I call her now, tell her okay, you said that maybe your business is not moving, and okay, I say okay, I want to change it, or we should just choose anyone. You will say no, say that business is the business that you want, but I will say you said that it's not moving, and there is no gain of it. You will say no, so I should leave it for the business.
That means she's ready to suffer.
Just like, yeah, so you will not
Are you
answer.
born to suffer, madam?
So I will
They want to
leave it.
elevate you financially. Money can bring good health.
And
Can bring
second,
long life.
third again, if I do something for her, she not dey appreciate am. Instead of to tell me thank you, you will not say anything.
And
You
you are
just-
still under respect.
Okay.
So leave am. If they allow you, you count 20 and na only one e be. Madam, okay, oga, all this one when you count na, I know say for your mind e reach 20. If we solve am for you, you know say na we don be your father and mother-in-law now, human rights, the whole world now, na him na don relate una settle. They are ready to solve your problem. It's very small. If we solve am, do you still see say this marriage will work?
So unless that one will be my family
Decision.
Yes, sir.
I said before, which of your family toast am for you? You say na only you toast am. Now na your family decision to marry am ahead. You not serious. This one wey you tell us, give am whether go change. That prison still dey hungry you. Oya, give am mic. Your eye, you look like dey make trouble, madam. Na your nature. Use mic na.
I know they make trouble.
We will pray for you here.
Amen.
So that you will get peace eye. So see, even if you make trouble, you think say not be you. That eye good. Yeah, this one you dey threaten me. I be like say you want curse me.
Can I curse you? Can I curse you?
You know the way your eye dey be like say you dey stubborn.
Yes, sir.
Na just make we forget about wetin you dey write for back of book abi. Inside the book, some interesting story go there. Okay, that will not be your portion.
Amen.
You said that you want to marry. Your mama, your papa, which one marry each other?
It's my papa married my mom.
So you and your husband, which one you want make the boss of the house? We'll grant them. This is human right. We'll give you your right to rule over
He is
me.
the one that will rule over me.
You sure?
Yes.
You want it like that?
Yes.
May beating John, have you made the
No,
remove it?
you cannot beat me. He's the one that will take care of me.
Okay, the
Yeah,
rule
that's
over
that.
you, beating should not be among.
And beating will not be among.
Okay, we accept that one. You are ready to marry. He must marry you. That one room when you rent now, how many rooms are there before?
We did 2 rooms before.
Come off 2 room, can't go 1 room. That will not be your portion. You come back here. Who you want to give that house to now? Use the mic.
I will still dey there.
You will dey there, your husband's house. You don't become 2 in 1.
Daddy, let me
Use your mic now.
let me
Now by force to marry.
let me explain something.
Explain.
He's the one that say I want to marry me because I dey on my own when this man come to see me. Say I need you. When I accept with am because He used my number to call all his family that is the one that will be the mother of his children. Since that time, this man don't used to take care of me and my children. I also in Kotu market where I used to survive. I used to do patching work where I used to survive. I did tell God I will leave my marriage. Even though I cried to my family, see what I'm passing through in marriage. I did tell God that I must leave the marriage. I said when we suffer it, and when I suffer it, I will succeed over the marriage. When my children grow up, I will settle with my children. My children will be my husband. Even though I pass different type of things, I will not touch my body. Because of the beating and the sickness that I come to see inside the family, I didn't see support over the sickness. I go to the hospital, I move anywhere because I my head. Who they alive now they marry? Who not they alive he cannot marry? That is the reason why I call him when I leave the marriage. I call him, how can you be taking care of the children now? He said no, he will not take care of the children. That is the reason why I moved to the woman right to help me fight the battle. When I got there now, they still asking the GK question. He didn't reply to them.
Madam,
So,
I not me too not like headache. I just ask you if you still need the marriage. You say if the man need that, you need that. Me, I want the man to need it now. You say you know they come back. Why you dey stress me?
no, I don't say I know they come back.
How you want to live for that one room and leave your husband house? Now you want to come be the boss, me come dey marry you then.
My money, I just paid for the house rent.
What you want me to do? More give you a year to enjoy the house.
Yes.
Use your mic well.
I don't know what to do because the payment of the house, I don't know what to say. Because
you know what to say now because now today na suppose go court.
Not that my husband don't want to say yes, it's the family.
Leave family out of this man and talk your own first.
I need the married back.
In that one room, use your mic abeg.
I need the married back.
Out of the room now, the one room where you dey.
I will spend my 1 year before I leave.
So your husband should allow you to stay outside marry and later come back to marry. You know say that one room they can give am out and return your money. Do you know it's possible? Do you know it's possible? No answer wetin you no know. You can answer yes or
I
no.
don't know.
Okay, give us the agent's number.
I don't have the agent number.
Give us your landlord number.
I just went there.
You saw the house on the road.
I saw it for agent now. I saw an agent and when
The
I
agent
get there,
hold on. The agent was standing in front of the house. You were passing by. You not say vacancy. You not saying yes. Now me be agent. That's why I hold this board so that anybody
yes,
want to
I have
rent
the
it.
number before. When I have the number before, as I saw the house, I delayed the number on my phone.
You're a smart woman. We smart pass you. You look back,
Because
look
I
back,
don't
look
want to
back,
rent
look
house
back,
again.
madam. No, do this side. You see how many people? You feel counter.
Yeah.
You know if you get sense pass all of them. Before the ones when they watch you online come see there. Alright, we will settle how now take the feed children. You two not need marriage for now. You need some rest, abi. You need to gather yourself. According to people who view you before, they say you are looking better today. That means you need to really look better before you think of marriage, Gabi. Is that what you want? You don't know what you want. We do everything here. What you want is what you will normally do for you. Use your mic. Madam, what you want?
I've already said that
Call
now.
me later.
I said
You
when is
want to finish 1 year for that marriage, for that house? We can call them, they will rent it out. You will still get your money. How many months you don't stay now?
just 1 month.
1 month. You will still get your 11 months money back. Even all the agent fee, everything they will give you back. Another person will come and rent it. They no give them back. Give landlord when they back one stop. You not be landlord. But you be landlord on your own now for your house. And you say they no give them back. And maybe you take the word how what you know about the how you take they operate.
No, I cannot see like that. Let me tell you, when you say that you don't go the house again,
Yeah.
you understand me?
Yeah. Use mic now. Give her mic.
The agreement and commission you already lose.
Hello?
Start her first.
Let me tell you something that when you rent the room,
Yeah.
or 2 bedroom,
Yeah.
or 3 bedroom, you say that I don't want the house again. The landlord will collect the agreement and with the agreement
And the
agent. You say that after that you use the 1 point, say you don't want the house again, so that you are looking for another person to rent the house out to collect the normal 1 year you are paying. Agreement and commission, no more.
Okay, what of if the house empty and they come pass through agent again? The agent can't tell them like you will pay this, pay that. They will come. They suppose return her to the woman, and when the new person pay.
Until the basic fakers.
And now they talk now.
When
with
the fakers,
with the agreement, we can talk to the agent and the landlord that this woman may move to her husband's house. If they see tenant, make they collect that agreement, everything,
certainly.
and return.
Certainly.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. I just want to know if it's possible, but the marriage is not going to be by force. But first, we have to know what is obtainable. So far, so good. Let's ask the man. We are going to call your mother-in-law. Give. Oh yeah, the marriage you want time for the last time or not? If this woman change, if they pick phone for your present, you too said they pick phone for her presence. Two of na dey if una phone ring, either una leave her una pick am where for ring. You know say you dey try to talk like angel now. And according to the woman, say they bring woman come house. None then say you even dey bring her come house. So you never change, you want somebody to change, no problem. There is God. Now, if she do exactly wetin you want when your family go dey happy, we don marry slave finally, will you still continue this marriage?
Sir, for that first one where I say I dey bring woman come house, sir.
Address that one.
That one, now my sisters, they come my house. So any sister
Your
will
sister
come,
in love or your real sister?
it's my mother's sister children.
Okay, your
So
auntie,
anytime when they
your
come to,
auntie,
yeah, my
your
auntie
auntie's
children. Anytime when they came over, based on say she don't know them, she will think say na my dad.
Anybody when your wife not know is a girlfriend, she can.
So that's why she dey think say I dey come with girl for house.
If
I
you
don't
no
fit bring
need
girl come my
is
house.
listen, oga. Do you know anybody when you no know to your girlfriend when they no introduce na their toaster? Talk like a man.
I know understand, sir.
When you dey toast am, make as you don pay that, make I no dey put all the word for her head. When you dey toast am, you say you never toast any woman before you see am, na only she you toast for your life. I agree. When you dey toast this particular woman, you know say you go know brother sister when she go dey tell you say, hey, that Sunday na be that one when I dey tell you when you dey Uniben, and that one na patient when you dey for Auchi Poly. So all the one we don introduce, the day when you go see say the one wey no introduce follow am, wetin your mind dey tell you before dem come finally introduce themselves?
Well,
na where your mind dey tell you?
nothing, sha, nothing. Mama go just tell. Maybe I just say maybe she be sister to her or brother to her, or just like.
You are not a sincere person. That means it's true say you dey lie the way your wife dey talk am. See am. If you see your wife or your girlfriend, let's say girlfriend, with another man or boy, then so long not be the ones when you know, your mind dey go first say, hey, this man make dey come home, wetin go see today? I catch am with person when dey toast am. When you reach house, if you be man when you dey talk out on time, you go. Okay, good afternoon. My president want to talk in the program. Good afternoon, President.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
I can't believe it's that woman. No. I can't believe it. Is it the woman who cheated? She the one sitting there on her daughter.
If it's the case, you be following it today, as in?
No, I just entered the line. Can't see somebody. I can't believe whether she is the woman. The person I treated her case that day was older than this. She the one.
Let's ask her her name.
Daughter.
Now you are this man go meet president. Now you with her go there. They say you change. Give her mic. She says she's the one.
Mommy, you are the one
How
that
are
gave me
you?
money.
Oh
Yes,
my God! What a transformation!
Thank you, ma.
Are you this pretty? Oh my
Yes, ma'am.
God! I love this look.
Thank you,
Oh
ma'am.
my beautiful girl.
Thank you, ma.
I told the viewers that day that what you need is to touch money.
Yes,
Can you imagine?
Yes,
Such
ma'am.
a pretty lady. I would snapshot and mind you of before today and after.
Every month.
Before and after, and I'll see it on Facebook.
Yeah.
Wow.
Thank you, ma.
That's my girl.
Thank
Thank
you,
you. I love
ma'am.
that.
President.
Come on, well done, sir.
Thank
President, don't
Sir?
tell me you just call in to gossip.
I just
So you
know
don't,
it's
all you don't have any
also
other thing to
matter
tell
online.
us. I will go and look at the video and tell the man he has changed positively also. I will go and look at
I
it.
better go look for it. I'm going to
I
snapshot.
believe this man must have recovered for not having wife at home.
I'm telling you.
I'm going to check it. All right, yeah.
Thank you, sir.
You're
Have a
welcome.
nice day.
All right. You see, when you go back, you go still look like better, yeah? Because now our marriage now. It's our marriage. He was the one talking before. Give him. Then what are they tell you, my brother? If anybody when they not introduce inside relationship, you can start a relationship before you say, now my cousin, sister, brother, cousin. So when a woman or man is coming to your house and you know your wife not know her, even if your wife never enter house, hello sister, hello wife, and I just surprised to see Jane today for street of Lagos. Now my sister, mother, brother, cousin, na him senior am o. In short, we just dey happy since I wan carry am dey come house in case you meet us for house. That shows that you have nothing to hide. If your wife see am before you dey say na my cousin, sister, brother, oga, if na oyibo your marriage don tear finish o, e don scatter. Even oyibo when they believe say they can do brothers and sisters in where they are still married, you can't try it with them o. He meet you with the sister at home, she not there at home, you can't explain it. Except the one that is just living with them. You hardly see oyibo when sisters, grown up sisters, they live with when they are married. They not trust themselves. So you wrong by bringing sisters when your wife not know. You very wrong, but I not feel like you. Both of now offend yourself. Abeg, call your mother, make we ask her whether it go allow you continue this marriage. I can see you are still a little boy. You need guidance to help you guide your marriage, like mother and father. You think if she said bring her parents inside, say they will side you. If you dey look for who will side you in marriage, you will never marry. My mother cannot side you, even if she's a truthful woman. Anyone I talk first, he will send warning before he hear from you. Mama, my wife almost killed me today. My mother will carry phone, destroy that woman with mouth before you must say, mommy, if na you born me, you for let me talk. Now if to say na you born me, for not let okay, I talk. When that woman will come talk her own, now my mother will come tell two of na mo na lead down self, they look son. So every woman that have child, that carry child for 9 months, they can act like that. That is why you don't bring them in. I tell her, say, you man, I want to talk to her. Hello, mama. Good afternoon, mama. Fine, ma. You go fit speak English so that you will talk to them. Hello? You go fit speak English. We want to ask you a question. Shebi, they speak English. Okay, I will call you with another number so that I go loud where we here. Thank you. You go put her number for here. Today na Friday. Abi? Why some emergency that's supposed to be tomorrow they come today? Hello, Daddy. Hello, Daddy. Daddy, gbogbo ọ̀dọ́ sà. Gbogbo ọ̀dọ́.
Hello.
Hello, ma. Good afternoon, ma. Hello, ma.
Welcome.
Yes, ma. We don dey look into the matter of your pikin and your wife-in-law.
Okay, no, thank you.
Yes, ma. We wan ask you question. As we don settle dem so the wife come talk say na you dem go beg if the marriage go work. So I wan know why she talk like that, and if you will give them second chance to marry.
Who talk and people can beg me?
Ma?
Who talk and beg me?
I don't understand. Mama, you say what?
Who beg me?
No, the wife say if the marriage will work, na the family they go settle. Eh? Okay, say na your son talk am. Say na your son talk am, say na okay, sorry. I forget. Na so him talk. Not be the wife. Na your son talk say for him no problem, but for your family they go settle before marriage will work.
You know, say we know the wife before now. We know that I'm not driver.
Okay.
They have that there at my own doctor.
Yeah.
After of my own daughter, this way that it must pass something I don't call her mom because the thing with yours are not like her. We're not driver before, no if we hear when say one come on. No person driver.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, wetin you dey talk, you know, the wife also say when she dey sick, you know say normally for Asian culture when a woman dey sick, they say make come back home. That's why those days people dey happy to marry man when he get mama and papa, those days for Asian. So when a woman dey sick before those days, I don't know whether they don change am, you go say make direct driver, that time they see obey motor this and that, they go say make dem bring am come o, they will take care of am, will come well. Na so he say when she dey sick, you even tell am say make not go where they would prophesy for am, make not go pastor when they see. So when you can't go pastor when you dey see, now you can't vex say why you go pastor when they see. I don't understand.
Why I thought that I make no cost
Okay.
because not many parts of the thought truth.
Okay.
Not all the thought make no scatter because if you go like this scatter, you know what maybe they have scatter.
Okay.
It's what they sick. They also may come home. If husband go look after it, husband will look after it. But he not come, he not tell the person, just they work up and down.
Okay. So you give us assurance, you give us say the marriage will work now. May we settle then? Mama?
Yeah, where the marriage will work. We not serve them before.
I say whether make I help you settle then, yes or no, Mama?
And let me settle them. I want to let you come and call look after my children for me. I'm not driver.
Okay, make it come village first, Abi. Make it come meet you for village, so that you will take care of her. Make I tell her make come meet you for village. If you never well, make you for take care of her.
If the brother don't take doctor now, okay. I will take doctor. They don't
Okay.
well.
Okay, we pray say make it well. For example, if he never well, she make it come meet you or make it not come.
Okay, come.
Okay, thank you, Mama. We will call you later. God bless you, Mama.
Thank you.
Now only one thing I want talk for waiting Mama talk among waiting talk. if you dey follow us, you see say house when prophecy don scatter na 100 only for this platform. That mama say he no talk say make he go pastor. He say if he go pastor, make he not go the one wey go dey preach for am o, say na this one cause and na that one cause, say that thing dey scatter because not be all the pastor dey talk true now. I say na true mama talk. The one we treat last, the house scatter, we not even fit settle am. As we dey talk this one, the other side say yes, even when I go my pastor, he talk say he wan kill me. This one say yes, when I go my, dem dey play video true, dem dey record their pastor that time. This one bring your audio, that one bring your video. He say na my pastor talk say my mother-in-law na wish he go kill me. The other one say yes, my pastor even tell me say my wife in-law, which is my son's wife, say na emere, say e no make things dey work for my son, my son no go better for life. See o, e come turn to spiritual fight. After na I call police, say wetin concern me na the child, make dem return the child when dem carry. So that thing, prophecy don spoil many marriage. Okay, now the case is settled. We are going to give you people 1 month. Madam, you are going to stay down your house for 1 month. We are going to see the performance of your husband. And you, have you been calling your mother-in-law?
I used to call her.
Okay, you go begin call her. He said suppose call you, but if nothing say because he not call you, no call her. Let her play in role. Even if not play in role, make you play your own, yeah? The people when you dey call before based on wife, good wife when you be for their family, they call them. If you not call your people, not remind them, oh, just do the good thing when you know for. If you don't know how to do good thing, we'll teach you. As you say you know how to do and continue with the good thing, okay? You are still in this marriage. Yeah? Go back for a month. That a month, we will see. After a month, now come back here. Yeah? Today is 29. 1st of June. 1st or 2nd of June, depends wetin enter, whether na Friday or Saturday, or now come here. June 1st. Okay? Oga, how much you dey give them since they come out when they take the eat? Use your mic.
Now this month I plan that's how they give them, sir. So now this month I sign
Okay. How much you sign?
20,000, sir.
And they give them that money, they call them, they go check them. We no ban you for going there, but now 1 month to give them, stay that house. And when you now come go there, she say can come and greet you. You can even say today una not dey go, una sleep, una with understanding, no. You understand? You can go and breathe, then they sleep, they want go. But even self, as we dey talk now, you can leave that house, stay your house until everything work good. You know, you go up and pack the remaining load, come. So when everything now work good, like even if not reach that 1 month, now come agree for bed or anywhere. Now come call the agent, say agent to put this house, say e dey vacancy, say they available. Agent will come put the house for to rent, so that she can get her money back. Okay? Which business you be want open for her when you not green?
When she told me that her business not moving that time, I just asked her, so whether maybe she would say something.
What
like
is she doing? What was she doing then?
Tailor. She's
Okay.
that is
Then that tailoring, na it be like spiritual thing, no. You know they let them remove and those when you waste time learn tailor. Tailor when you never retire, when you know this tailor when you come out for tailor, you know they see again, we come wear gongo. You see no they see, now they come out to. So they say, my pikin help me put in needle. My grandchildren put her for needle, make it. They know they remove person for tailor, except na roadside tailor. Let me talk, I take God beg you. People when you waste time learn work, they know they drop am. I learn photo and video coverage. Till tomorrow, I no wan use I see camera. I know dey waka pass camera like this, so I dey operate am. I go abroad, I do camera work during my work. I cover many occasions. And if I use that hours do another better work, I will gain more than camera. But I just like am become hobby. If you want to help your wife, you go check the store where they get space for front. If you no get space, go rent another store for am when you go get space for either inside or front. You can't use the front take do another business for am. She go come still dey do her tailoring inside, so that if this tailor never move, she go dey sell provision or rice or whatever for the front. Na you go get better marriage o. You remove am for tailor, if that business for you say, if no be my husband wey come carry bad luck remove me, I know where tailor for don carry me go now. Na lie, when you leave am, tailor no carry am go anywhere. If you see person wey waste time learn work, no remove am o, let that person remove his or herself. Going to sign and learn work for more than a year is like oath, it's like ritual, it's like spiritual things, like you commit yourself. No matter how person come help you, it's like na that thing na him make you not make am because they remove your hand inside. You understand? They tell you say I see they do camera, I know they take eye pass camera, now you know believe. I don't want to treat the case like a family case. Maybe he will be one of the person I snap picture when they sit down. This man. Now from Mama village. I no know now as I dey watch them I see am. If Mama suppose speak Mama village, that you see the way I dey do the call, may not just speak any language, may speak English. If he go there among people when I snap a picture when they sit down for 6 months. Well no photographer for that region. So, but now e suppose be say me and photograph not be made, but I no fit use that pass camera. See, wait now, I not be to talk. This is still my camera now. You see now. This one now still camera now. When on that seat now, now still camera come outside. This camera is 1,500 euros. I'm not doing photograph, but I go abroad. When the last abroad I travel now, before this coronavirus, I see this camera, I not remove. I buy 1,500 euros, which is almost $1 million. Half a million, or rather more than, yeah, more than half a million. Around 700,000 or thereabouts. Now I take buy it. But you can never see me on stage doing it. But my eye, if I see better camera now, they stop. They check on, and camera full my house. Now your mind, you take the drop work when you learn. Oh. You know some people, they kill their papa and their mama. I will tell you how. Your mama, they do petty trading for market because you are not a big man in the city, big woman. You say, mama, you are disgracing me. Oh, all this one, they go market every day. They carry a couple for AC for Lagos. Their mama die within 2 weeks. They say, na ritual, they take and do not be ritual. If you have leave your mother to continue that trading, you go live for 100 and something years. Some people, I know them, even for my street, their papa, they do bicycle repairer. They don't make money, they go remove their papa, they say they disgrace us, this and that. Papa say, if I go market, the people they talk to, this bicycle they repair, not be saying that the money, he say na exercise. They say you are disgracing us, they hide all his tools. Go rent his shop out to another person. Their papa die within 3 months. Not joke with work when you learn, no. It can add to your lifespan or can decrease it. So go and open for where she go get space in front of her shop. Whatever support you want to give her, you go dey sell those things. And if you want that shop to dey move, maybe not like provision, she go dey go Eko Dumota, go dey buy this baby dress already made, they hang and join her. They hang and join front of for her tailoring store, just like semi boutique. People will be coming to buy those things. You will be making again, and from there somebody will say, I don't want to buy, but sold this kind of type for me when you dey sell here. But our problem is to change business. Not be how much you put for business. The type of business when you do not be matter. There are business that match with your spirit, with your love, with your star. You understand? Okay. Mama Pikin. Mama has spoken. Mama is still interested in the marriage. then the marriage will still work. Madam, all your calls you go pick am when your husband dey house. Is that okay? I no accuse you, but for now your phone ring, even if you are busy, pick am. Hello, call me back. Call me back, I dey cook. And when you say call me back, make sure say your husband see say true you were busy. If you are not busy, you just pick phone, call me back, it's still suspicious. So and if call you no dey pick am, na big trouble. You understand? So try. And most of now when you date before marriage, date other men, and your husband come, now you can't tell your husband your past story, say you don't know that Bruno, now I don't be one marry, I don't marry him again, now him make me come marry you. The day when you know will pick call another Bruno, when not be this Bruno, now you just looking for, you know, pick, and now your cousin Bruno. If your husband dey there, marriage go scatter out. Go say, so this Bruno still dey call you, and you did not even pick because you have something that you are hiding. Na big problem o. But when you are picking call, coincidentally another Bruno na him call, and this one you no even know am again, na no talk. You pick, my brother, if my husband say wan greet you, your marriage go dey grow. This phone, since phone come, marriage grow, marriage destroy. Na 50-50 break if you no know how to use am. You no come do us well, you no come do us good. Mostly social media. Give am mic.
Sometimes when my family call him, they want to talk to him through my phone. I will say, let me give her.
Use your mic, not be to
when I want
me.
to give her the phone, give him the phone, he will say we will not collect it. I will be begging my brothers for phone, say don't vex, not that he don't want to pick. Or sometimes I will just tell them that he's sleeping. For me to defend for my husband, problem should not come. I will say he's sleeping.
He not like you. Now, if he like you, he will like your family. But now he will like you by
And
force.
since that time when the problem dey like that, my family now be calling my husband, say the way you treated my sister is not good. But I go and take care of this woman. He said, look, before you even see this man for face, if he reach 3 weeks, 4 weeks, he cannot take care of me and my children.
You don't do. Now because na mama they listen to that, and now na mama they marry you now, you are very lucky. Wetin you say you do am, promise if you go change. You saw the items when you write here, they are up to 20. You are not respectful. You know they cook for it. We work come na problem. You know we see food eat for house. Your brother will advise you, which is a brother, baby brother. You no go shh. You no go here. You see they here when you listen. You ready to change? Yes or no?
I will change, but the one I want to still talk is because of it. Because when he change, I will change. I know I will change on my own. Because all those ones that he write on the book, because you are not living with me. In anything that he said, you must believe. I normally cook food every Friday.
Okay.
Wait this man.
Okay, they come home every Friday.
On Saturday. When he come on Saturday, I will be in the working place. When I come back, I will make food for this man. Really hungry this man. Till I left that house.
Okay. What you go dey do now? You go dey, as you dey cook am every Friday and serve am every Saturday, you dey snap and dey send am to our platform.
But I don't have the phone.
The phone. He go buy phone for you. Go buy for you. Go dey snap am. You go snap am even if you never send am to you. You dey snap am. This is food for my husband. Friday, September. You dey snap am. So the day when you say you no dey cook for, let me tell you.
Yes, ma'am.
Respect and food dey different. If me and my wife dey quarrel, na him dey cook for me well and I no dey eat. Because the way take go dump am for table, I say no worry, I tell you say I dey hungry, I will leave the food until if you come back for work, you will see say the same way take set place still dey there. Is she not cooking for me? Madam, answer.
Yes.
Did I eat?
No.
Why I no eat? Respect no dey when we dey quarrel. Abi? If me and my wife get misunderstanding, he can wake up 5 a.m. in the morning, go cook. He will cook all manners of food, keep. And I no go eat anyone. I no go as I go eat, I will starve myself. I can't sleep, but I no happy say I no eat. But I will know it because he no put respect before he drop am. You no get respect, he said. You might cook. This man will say you no cook because there are way you present food. Even if you no cook, it will help you drink garri, will dey happy. Get respect. we no fit condemn this man to complete death because he no go good, you too no go good in some area. Be you wan become the first angel in this platform. So you should not be complete angel. Go practice wetin you complain. If you really wan marry, even if you say wan marry, yeah, no be cook. Na by cook dem dey talk. Those days say if you cook as a wife, you no dey ask to serve your husband, no go eat. You go say na disrespect. Some men dey wait till you come back, whether hold up or not, you come serve them. They wan see that smiley, that way you put am. You know say some women dey put food for table each and those days. They put food for table, they go bend down put am, and you no even dey there. They still feel like say na their husband and him presence dey that place. No to talk of your husband just sit down. You wan bring food, you go kneel down. No be say complete kneel, you like, you know as Ishan dey do am, you go on your knees small. You put am for table. So it's possible the food is there, but the respect is not there like he complained. So we are going to end this program. You have to say sorry to your husband if you have done anything wrong, knowingly and unknowingly. He will come tell you sorry. Why he will not say sorry first? We are still putting him in the position of man. But some men, when we say not be 50-50, that they just kneel down first. Tell your husband sorry if you have done anything wrong.
I'm sorry.
Okay. What tribe are you?
Use
You don't, if you come here, you are not representing your mother and your father's house the way they train you. You should know you are representing the whole state and their tribe, their culture. One person is called Miss Edo State, Abi, Miss Lagos, and Miss Nigeria, Miss World. That person represents the beauty of Nigeria. Whether he might not be the most beautiful person. Why do you now sit down as an Asian culture and look there and say you are sorry?
That's why I say that. As I'm here now, sir, I'm not feeling fine. I just do like this because mommy say if I'm coming back again, she don't want to see me like that. I'm not feeling fine inside me.
Which of the feeling fine? The head wise or your mind is heavy?
My heart. I have BP.
Okay, hold on. The BP will not allow you to perform your culture.
No one that is not the one that want to. It will not allow me to perform. I will perform my culture.
Perform it well as an Asian woman. Let me see.
I'm sorry.
1 second. Now 1 second. I tell teach you.
I'm sorry.
I'm not seeing you. When you are done, you let me know.
I'm sorry.
You are too fast. You will be there until he now will smile, whether he like it or not, to hold you with 2 hands and say, I am sorry too. That the minute you spend there determine how he gonna attend to you and hold you.
I'm sorry.
Okay, what do you normally call yourself? It be like this, if you not even get pet names. What do you normally call yourself when the going was good? Use mic.
I used to call him daddy.
You can imagine. Person will not reach to born you.
He's the one that born me now as far as married him now.
Wetin they call you? I know say na
They call me my village lamb. My village lamb.
I know
village.
He resemble one old man wey never civilized now. I don't know why small pikin go be like one old man, but we will change the mentality today. We are calling your own name first. You look am.
Daddy, I'm sorry.
You can imagine. Okay, we love that. You will waste time small. BP will not hold you again in Jesus' name. Waste time small. May reach and take respond. Face time. You know me the face. I not be your daddy.
Okay.
Use your mic. Use your mic. We want to hear that sorry.
I'm sorry.
What? Sorry, mommy, Abi.
I'm sorry, daddy.
Okay. Dejo, make we dey look am. Take your mic, oh boy. Give her a mic.
I'm sorry, true.
Okay. You go stand up now. Hold that woman for some seconds before you even pronounce sorry. You will stand up. You go wrap your hand around her. Whether you marry her or not, this thing has to be done. You go stand up near her. You know, agree laugh again. They laugh since like one. No, sit down. Now you be queen today. You wrap your hand around her.
Sorry.
If your hand to come out on time, you will do them 1 million times. And you are sorry.
I am sorry.
Which name you they call them before?
My mommy and the caller.
If you lie here, you go to 1 year, 500 years in prison.
I'll tell you the truth.
What's your problem?
I used to call her mom. Any woman where I say I used to call them mom.
So you the friend all the confession of Bella.
It's not like that. Any woman, whether a small baby, Now, mommy, I record.
Okay, that I like you. Sit down. God don't catch you. Say amen. That means you have no respect for your wife. The name you call everybody, you wait now, Mrs. George, Mrs. Tuno. This talk self now make you not get body until you not come they talk now you can't get body. You were two talking in that house. That's why only 1 month now. You know, my mama say, you know, see me now, Lino, now talk here every day. If I travel abroad, only a week I stay, you they see as I dey be. Too much talk they make person lean. You talk too much also. Now BP make una get peace. So say not get BP self. You for two they talk. So say if you two talk BP, they give you sign. Now speed limit, then they use your speed limit. Let me tell you, they help me they talk. Oh boy, you dey local well. How can you be calling the name you call even mad woman for street? Now you give your wife. The name you call baby girl when they born for you, now you give your wife. I dey like people when they talk true. Okay, give her name. Do her naming ceremony. Use your mic, not waste my time. Might be funny.
I don't understand, sir. I say,
Now she give you daddy as your change your name when una meet. You can't do your naming ceremony.
No, sir, because she meet my sister, they just call me daddy. So
Okay.
for there again, she
Why you
call
not
me
tell
daddy.
am say you no need that daddy? She no need that mommy. So you go tell her wetin you need today. First give her name. As you be daddy to your sister, we will change am. It's not also making sense. No waste my MB, you pay for it too.
I call her my darling.
That one sweet now. We will give you definition of darling. Oya give am do your naming ceremony. Oya give am mic. You give am mic back. You wan give mic dey look that side. Na your wife dey that side. Na man sit down there o. Look who you dey give mic. I be like say I dey joke for you. Oya, we are going to swear affidavit to change his name officially today. So give him name. And never you call her daddy. It's not old enough to born. You say you no like her. We are give her sweet name.
Honey.
You can imagine. We can't meron. Very good. You like the verse. No problem. We are give her. He knows say when for come marry now by force. So this man, those days marriage now by force. Who know wetin be divorce? Me I no even know. Now human right I come dey hear divorce. Oya, hug your wife after una don change una name. Give me mic, not concern mic today. Oya, una stand up. Face each other. Dress back, na not show for camera. Dress back, Ologun. Too tough. Oya, hug your wife. Very serious. Hug her. That is not called hugging. Now one side of the breast they touch you. Madam, I'm not your husband. Face your husband, you still they use one side they give her. Okay, now bag on carry your bag come up for me. Disturbing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Make her dey see am. Madam, this side of the breast they pain. Face your husband chest to chest. Leave me out of it. Don't look at me. Face am. I mean why people face am. Oya, Oga, your hand is too soft. Oga, see the way they tap your hand. Grab her. If to say na toast now, you don't dey squeeze am since. We should see our wife like the woman we are toasting outside now. What is your problem? Okay. Now we need mic. No, kissing before mic. Hold on. You call it disgracing child. As young as you are, you don't know how to kiss. You know. Stand up. We are not done yet. Hold on, mo. Woman, hold on by yourself. Hold on. Marriage, now by force. Oh yeah, Ologun, kiss him. Kiss, not waste my time here. When he go marry you, now how not take one and no kiss. Oh, what you making now? What's your problem? Oh yeah, kiss. Hold on. Not be peck, oh. Maybe I do like your mate. Not be peck. Now kiss. You say na kiss before. You will kiss again. teeth dey pain the woman. Well, Obama come here. Now he blow you for the teeth. And the kiss will not. Even my mother will not get it that time. My mother not get it and come we get to. Then they kiss. Oh yeah, kiss and make hot. You kiss and you know say in short, you know if you climb up, you kiss her first. Wetin dey your mind pass you this boy? Madam, now you kiss, you never kiss. Tell her may bring your head down. As you say you good, may you will show as you take care. Well. Oh yeah. Now your turn to kiss now. Bring your head down. If you are working in the local. Come here. Now your worst pass. This one they hide and do one they do. Do a public. Oh yeah, hold your head, bend your head down. No, you don't say it all. Use your two hands, bring your head closer to yourself.
1, 7,
now here you
9,
go by time.
9, 4,
you
3,
look at
1,
na
7,
mouth,
9.
because we don't want teachers na mouth like that teacher. Oh yeah, not waste my MBO. And not doing fast, Mona sit down. Yeah. You don't say no girl feeling, make them go treat you now. They marriage, they do like one people when they even solo must when they 200, they still they kiss. All right, this is where we're gonna stop. Before you go visit them, they call your children morning and night. Wait till I talk. If it sound funny, morning and night. You hear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In the morning, you go call them.
Yes,
In
sir.
the night before they go to bed, you go call them. And you know just because they give phone to my children in your asset, you go fair romance on phone. How are you? How was your day? Have you eaten? Even if you not see money given to eat, see ask another if you don't eat. Now all those one you talk to before you say, okay, how my children? Can I talk to them? Now pass the phone to them. Okay? Morning
Yes,
and
sir.
night. If you know the pick, when you come here, you can show us all the missed call. Is that okay?
Oh, yes.
We will call police now say na cannot make it today because nobody want go prison. You want go prison? Use your mind. You want go prison?
No, sir.
I see you say God forbid inside your heart. Is that what you said? You say God forbid. And God must forbid prison. Now devil dey prison. Now not do well dey prison, children of God. So do well, make God forbid that prison for you, okay?
Yes, sir.
Madam, you are well in Jesus' name. Okay? You too small to get BP. Now quarrel they cause BP. Now quarrel they cause it. Word when they know they let go, when they shock your mind, then they cause BP. It shall be well with you. Now we'll go in peace now. Now Catholic Church, all of us they go that time. After Mass, waiting Father they talk. You may go in peace. Give me my mic and go in peace. You'll be here first week of June, okay? We're going to call the police. Now police call you before. You get the number. Right now, yeah, go call them say the kids wanna kiss somebody they pay and never recover. So that they will wait for June 1st. Alright, have a nice day. Maybe we'll come again for another case. God bless you.